Hello, Reyes. I hope you're doing well. As promised, here is the video we said that we would send you. My name is Charles. I work in partnership with Hanley Digital, and we help local businesses grow by getting more and more clients. Now, the purpose of this video is just to give you a few free recommendations that you implement right now and see more and more customers finding you online and calling you. And hopefully that will make you grow in the end as you close more customers. I do this for business owners because I've realized that business owners are way too busy to learn how to do these things for themselves. And there's so much information out there, there's so many companies out there that sometimes it gets confusing. Sometimes you get in touch with scammers. So I just wanted to give you a few recommendations that you can take and use, implement yourself, easy to understand, that can actually do something tangible and start getting you more clients. All right, so without wasting any more time, the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything that's on your front page. All that's on the pages of your website, actually. All the text, all the images, the words behind the images, whatever your images are saved. All this is considered content and what these search engines read from your site so that they can put you in front of someone who's looking for your service. To optimize with Google, it's important to have maybe close to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. And make sure you're including keywords, those words that people type when looking for your services. For example, Dallas AC repair, that's a good keyword, you know? So include more of them and make sure I would definitely increase the amount of text I have here. It looks like you have about 250 words. I would take it up to 1,500 words of service. Authoritative, showing what you do, where you service, what towns, what neighborhoods, um, your services that you provide, any specialties, any warranties, etc. The back pages, the other pages can have maybe 750 to 1,000 words. All right, that's content. Next is citations. So let's go to a Google search. If someone's looking for Dallas, let's say AC repair in Dallas, first thing you'll see are the Google ads. Being Google guaranteed is important because you see now they've just introduced this thing where you can just send a message directly to the company, and they're always at the very top. So Google Guaranteed is important. However, when people have ad block, sometimes they don't see those ads. Citations have to do with this area here known as the map pack. And what a citation is anywhere online that your name, address, phone number are cited in different directories. For example, Yelp, in Better Business Bureau, superpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. The more citations you have that are relevant to you and higher in quality and quantity, higher than your competition here, the higher you'll rank. You'll come to the front page and people will be calling you. The third thing I want to mention is backlinks. Now, backlinks has more to do with this area down here, known as the organic listings. A backlink is when a different website links to your website, giving you traffic. So, for example, if there was um, like a Home Depot plumbing section that has a link to your website, that's very relevant. And Google sees that and says that's authoritative and will think that your website is also relevant. Though not all backlinks are the same. If there's a company, like a fast food company in Philadelphia that's linking to you in Dallas and, fast food, that's different. So Google sees that and counts it as spammy. I use a tool to analyze different websites, and what you can do is look at your competitors, especially like the top ones here, like this guy, and go to the tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me different statistics about different websites. So I can see that this guy, your competitor, has about 11,000 backlinks from 930 domains, and Google is recognizing them for about 9,000 keywords. So the idea isn't to steal all of those all of that traffic. But the idea is to realize that there's a lot of potential that you can take, even if you're on the third, fourth, fifth, even sixth position. There's a lot of search volume for those services in and around you. So those three things, backlinks, citations, and content, take them into account when you're redoing your website. Oh, definitely. I do like the feel of your website, but it just needs a lot more content if you choose to redo it or to add more content. Please take those things into account. If you'd like to work together with me, that would be great. Just contact us back. You can respond to this video. If not, no harm, no foul. You can go ahead and just take these tips, give them to whoever's helping you out, and hopefully you'll start to get more business. Thank you, and all the best.